Hi friends, this is your Lesson 32 exit ticket. So we are doing some more practice with our word problems and creating a nice organized picture and then putting it into a subtraction sentence and an addition sentence. Remember friends, practice makes us better. And so the more practice that we have, the better we will get at these word problems and creating these number sentences, okay? So now that you've watched your learning video, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to create a nice organized picture to match our word problem. We are going to create a number bond that matches our picture, and then we're going to put this picture and or number bond into a subtraction and an addition sentence. Okay, so here is your word problem. Glenn has 9 pens. 5 are black. The rest are blue. How many pens are blue? Okay, I'm going to read that one more time. Make sure as I'm reading that you're picking out that important information, figuring out what it's saying to you. Glenn has 9 pens. 5 are black. The rest are blue. How many pens are blue? Okay, go back to the beginning if you need me to read this again.